Welcome to the DWF Thursday Night Brawl. As today, we are starting off with the World Tag Team Championship match. Now, I am Drake, the founder of DWF, also known as PM. And you're probably wondering how I'm doing commentary with him right there. Yeah, but I'm not going to be doing commentary here. I'm just doing this small introduction for y'all. You know, this is going to be the Tag Team Championship match. And this is going to be the Wolfpack versus KAOS. We will be getting our commentary team set up for future DWF videos on this YouTube channel. And this is going to be an exclusive match. That's not going to be a part of our normal show match card. So hope you all enjoy. If you want more from DWF, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. And for those of you who think I'm copying other things that revolved around DWF, I actually created DWF back in 2005. I never made a YouTube channel or anything like that for it, but I did have an Instagram and a Twitter, which the original Twitter I do not have access to anymore, nor the original Instagram. I never really did YouTube videos like for this back in the day, but I think I did a few videos on my old personal YouTube channels revolving DWF, which I do not have that channel anymore because that was hacked in 2016. So hope you all enjoyed this exclusive match between KAOS and the Wolfpack for the Tag Team Championships. I'm going to throw in another thing here. If you want to follow us on Instagram at DWF Wrestling Official to catch up on all updates on DWF. And when I meant by had any socials back then, the first DWF social I made would be in 2009, not 2005. Just going to clear the air on that before anybody says anything about that. So hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next DWF match. Peace out. I cannot believe that I'm still doing DWF after, what, 15 years now? I made this in 2005, which is now 2021 as a recording of this video. Man, time really does fly. I was just a kid when I made DWF. This started off as a wrestling action figure company, not like any video game wise, but I did do like custom stuff on like the old SmackDown championships.
G on the way to the ring at a combined weight of 495 pounds, PM and Matthew G, the Wolfpack.
The commentator is so broken right now. I love it.
PM Matthew G and their opponents at a combined weight of 440 pounds, they are the World Champions, T the Iceman Smith and J KAOS.
Correction, JoJo. They are DWF Tag Team Champions, not the World Championship. The World titles will be changed. I mean, not changed, but made here soon, as the previous ones were destroyed by the previous holders, which we will not be speaking about or mentioning them on film. So let's get right into this match here, ladies and gentlemen. I was also, before, JoJo, messed up her announcing. I did make some DWF things on like the old SmackDown versus Raws. I don't know why I said SmackDown Championships. I got distracted for a moment. Yeah, but I did do stuff on like the old SmackDown versus Raws and WWE 13 and 12, then 2K14 and all. But I started getting more into making DWS stuff on video games. All the way up till 2017 was the last time I did anything action figures wise, I believe, because I was getting more into video games at that time. Seems like PM is letting out some former anger from his former teammate, the former member of the Wolfpack right here, known as T. the Iceman Smith. Jake Cross breaks up the pin. Oh, referee has been taken down. What's this? PM's going for his finisher on Jake Cross. PM's going to go for the cover on T. the Iceman Smith once again. Will he become victorious? No, kicks out at 1. Big boot to the back of the head. And PM tags in his tag team partner, Matthew G. We got new tag champions. The Wolfpack is now the new DWF Tag Team Champions. PM
Here
quick
are
to
your winners
pinfall
and the
over
new
Jake
World
Krause.
Tag